Okay, I'll try to explain this best I can. So, lithium iron phosphate Renogy 100 amp battery. Around $500, I got it on sale. A Krieger 1500 watt pure sine wave inverter mounted against the bulkhead for the bed. That's the fuse block. This is a USB voltage readout cigarette lighter plug receptacle that I have wired to the battery. I use that to plug in the solar panel, so I can do that from outside without having to do any connections here, although you can do it directly to this with alligator clips. This is my AC outlet from the inverter. It's under the bed. There's right here alongside. It's kind of centrally located. I can use the microwave, which is right behind me. Small extension cord if necessary. Can use this for any other AC devices, although I don't really have too much else that we've used. And it was just easier for me to put it here for less wire runs. And then the last thing, which I have to get back over here, underneath the storage seat, remember I have a tab 320, I have the switch for the inverter. It's actually got a little remote switch. So there it is, right there. So when I hit that switch, it turns on the inverter. And that's it.